Okay, Crispies, Easter, yay! G'day world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. I got a new old-timer, and then we're talking old-timer. Okay, so this one I have here today is actually quite awesome. Look at the shield on this guy. It's got that same Dalrymple saw-cut, bone-looking scales that we always get with the beautiful brushed silver bolsters. It's a straight-up slip joint. Slight gapping, but nothing to worry about. Beautiful fit and finish on this thing, actually. Nice walk and talk on this guy. And we see old-timer with the code. I'm going to show you the box now. And then whatever serial number or whatnot, model number or whatever that is. Beautiful, beautiful knife. We do have that little piece there for a bit of a safety. But you don't need it because the spring on this thing is marvelous. Okay, like I said, walk and talk on this guy, fantastic. Beautiful nail neck, and it's a great size. Okay, so let's quickly look at it. I did an unboxing on this a while back, so go look for that if you don't get what you want over here. Okay, stainless steel blade, 7 inches overall length, and 52 custom cards. It's the folding knife and card combo. Generational guarantee. Okay, and then we see stainless steel blade, clip point blade, saw cut handle, 4-inch handle on this guy, and 2.8 ounces. Okay, so fantastic. That's what I can tell you about the knife. Throw away that. Then we get this pack of old-timer playing cards. Yes, I know you should not open these, but whenever I get a pack of cards with anything, I immediately open them to see what's on the inside of the cards. Okay, there we go. Okay, so there we see the Brune, okay, which is a lockback. Now I have the newer one, I cannot remember what they call that, 50T, and that's apparently the ace of spades. Oh, I'm missing something. Joker, we have the cards, the ace, we have the Brune, there we have the, what's it, middleman, we have a woodman, we have bare-headed trapper, we have a pal, we have a dogleg jack, deer slayer. I'm going to show you a Rough Rider deer slayer in a while. The golden bear, we have the Gatuk Skinner, mountain beaver junior. I would get this thing just for the name. Hunter, pro hunter, the Barlow, the sharp finger, and then we start over. Yes, as soon as we get to the ace again. Beautiful. So we have a beautiful deck of cards showing us all the fan favorites. Okay, so that's lovely. Now this can go into my drawer of knife cards. What is it over there? The old-timer knives. Built for generations. And that's upside down again. Oh, and I think we just saw that. Anyway. Beautiful pack of cards, beautiful knife. Let's talk about, well, first, let's just look at this. Do you see it's exactly the same Delrin that we have on this, but the shield is different. Now, this thing I got from the Goondocks. I think his channel is gone because I was looking for him the other day, but I couldn't find it. If anybody knows, let me know in the description, because he sent this thing to me. And I'm sure shipping cost him way more than this knife is actually worth. But thank you again, Goondocks, if you're actually watching this. And PS, I miss you. Please start making videos again. Okay, this is the Splinter, and it is a wonderful thing for carving. You get all of your carving utensils that you might need. Now, I did a video on this thing, and I did a video with my brother where we were air layering bonsais, round gouge, and he pretty much used this thing for everything to do with his air layering of things. Anyway, so we have all of your carving tools in one convenient package. So I quite like this knife. It's pretty awesome for a whole toolkit in one. Then this thing. It looks weird. I can't remember the name. It has been used quite well. But it's like wood. It does have a pocket clip. And it's an awesome little thumb stud knife. Old timer. 1719, if that's going to help you in any way. So I love that thing. Then this one. This is an actual bone old timer. I got mine from Swartbaard EDC and Gear. He ordered it for me, or not for me, but he ordered it and I said I wanted one. Great knife, this one, and it's a trapper. Okay, so we have our beautiful spay and our beautiful clip point blade. Just do a size comparison. Okay, so this one is a bit, let's just see if you can see the number on this thing. Hopefully it helps you. I think it's 0722. Okay, so this one is a bit bigger, but this is a bigger slip joint. And then this is that Brune. But this one was the, I cannot remember what they called this thing. Okay, so it's like blue laminated wood. We have a backlock, brass liners, brass bolsters. But what makes this one cooler, let's see if you can see a number on that one. I can't see it, but hopefully you can. Okay, so it's 5OTH old timer and it's in D2. So this one has got the cool steel on it. Now again, this one has also been used a bit. Okay, but that's just gunk on the thing. It's not actually something wrong. Nice one. Okay, but I really like this thing. So I think, oh, it's got a bit of a swell, the way the Delrin is cut. It just feels super in hand. And I like this little curve over there. Very nice. And it's still going to be a great biltong knife. Somebody asked me what biltong is. I did a video on biltong knives. If you go look at that, you will also see what biltong is. Okay. Happy Easter, everybody. Today was the quickest and the slowest day because, of course, we had to get up very early because the, what's that thing? The Easter rabbit. Yeah, that's what we're going to go with. Dropped a lot of eggs around here, so the kids were running around from early. Then we did the whole church thing. Then we came back home. Then we just did nothing until now. Now is afternoon. Okay, so we're going to have a little braai met the wife and kids. It's going to be very nice. I'm not going to show you that today. Today I'm just going to add some footage from last time. And I will show you today's braai tomorrow. Okay, because I'm done for today. All of you, stay safe, happy, have a good one, and enjoy the rest of your Easter. Goodbye. Okay, my last video, I think I left you around here. Let's just get the bottom of that one done, and the bottom of that one. So let's lean them against the pot. Yeah, let's do that. Like that, and that one like that. Yes, this is not the traditional way, but I like to burn all the sides, or not burn, but get all the sides nice and brown, and then when you cut into them, they will be delicious. Okay. Let me quickly show you what these guys look like. Okay, nice. Okay, I have my daughter holding the camera. Let me quickly see, I'm using a pickled steel slice, but this one has not been sharpened, so this one is not really that sharp. But this is looking, oops, pretty perfect at this stage. Let me just see. delicious. Okay, and then while I have you, you see these mushrooms are now soft and delicious. All of this will be chopped up. All of these things are cast iron. I have showed you these before. Grandma's, well, my father's mother that died years ago, it was her things and I did all history on them. Check my videos. Okay, I kind of forgot about you guys. So let me show you what the late night one looks like. It's a tortilla with delicious almonds. Okay, added a lot of cheese. Now we are going in with the meat and the mushrooms. Okay, there we have the steak and the mushroom on it. Now I'm gonna fold it and eat it. Okay, and this thing with a little bit of sriracha will be delicious. All of you stay safe, happy, have a good one. Goodbye.